folks, today we are in GLK350, starting with our radio. What I've done, I don't have really serious, only preview. I have only 95, I got like AM, FM channels, and really want to have a little bit more options. So this GLK that I have, it does come with the audio input aux, and there's some of the good options as a hard drive inside, and built-in hard drive. I use also discs to copy as MP3s, satellite radio, but I really would like to use aux, but I would like to use it wirelessly. So what I have done, I purchased beside the items I have before, you guys might know, and I help you to order those ones as well, some of you. This is just a USB adapter for GLK350. Is also work on different other models, on the mail number models. This one over here, I got another one cable. That's the first one I have. This one has for the iPhone, but I was using an iPod. I was using only for the aux interface, 3.5 millimeter plug for the phone. So what I have done, I purchased recently unit. It is going to have all those three options. As well is going to have Bluetooth. Well, let's get it open and take a look at it. It take me a minute to dig inside this thing right here. It does definitely have lots of packaging. It does came from China, but it came with the faster service. So I do purchase two of those, each one of those $15, and I purchased two. I save a little bit money by buying two. I was going to sell another one to get reimbursement for the one that I purchased. In description link I will going to have information of the website where I purchased it, and we're going to test it right now. So we have opened the unit, and that's what it looks like. It does has an adapter for GLK350. Again, if it other vehicles as well, you gotta check if it's compatible. This is a Bluetooth option. This button is to join the device. This is USB, as you can see. And it does has I thought it does. No, it does not. This instruction will show that they do have aux, but I don't think so. I will need one anymore if I'm going to have Bluetooth. Well, let's try it and see if its Bluetooth's work, and I'm gonna try to activate this. It will be hard doing my phone, but I'll figure out. Okay, I plugged it into the device, into my glove box compartment, and that's probably search options. You gotta wait, or it's power or search option. Let's hold it and see if it's going to be kicks in. Oh, there you go. I got red. There's no instruction. I'm assuming red one is off, blue one is on. Well, I'll try to figure out the record as well. Is kick on Bluetooth option, see if I can join. Show you screens that is connected immediately. Just it's called Clever, and its connected quality of the audio is amazing. I would definitely suggest you to buy this unit, whose vehicle does not provide the Bluetooth audio. This is the best Bluetooth device ever. Again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share this video, and I will provide link in description for this clever device. It is amazing. Play everything, whatever's playing on my phone, by just selecting on the audio AUX. Alright, again, this was a sell for fun with you, and I go as far as you can see. Enjoy your day, and this was Mercedes GLK350. Thanks for watching my video.